The Honda CR-V is a great car. It's known for its versatility, comfort, and reliability. Whether you're driving through the city or taking a road trip, the CR-V is designed to handle it all with ease. It's reliable and built to last. Many families trust the CR-V for their daily commutes and weekend adventures. Its spacious interior and advanced safety features make it a top choice for many. But even the best cars can have problems. Over time, wear and tear can lead to issues that need attention. Regular maintenance is key to keeping your CR-V running smoothly. One common issue is with the transmission. The transmission is a crucial component that ensures your car shifts gears smoothly. When it malfunctions, it can affect the overall performance of your vehicle. A faulty transmission can be frustrating. You might notice unusual noises, difficulty in shifting gears, or even a burning smell. These are signs that something is wrong and needs immediate attention. You might feel your car hesitate. This hesitation can be particularly noticeable when accelerating or climbing hills. It's a clear indication that your transmission is not functioning as it should. It might jerk when you change gears. This jerking motion can be alarming and uncomfortable. It's not just an inconvenience, it can also be a safety concern if not addressed promptly. This is not how your CR-V should feel. A well-maintained transmission should provide a smooth and seamless driving experience. Any deviation from this is a sign that something needs to be checked. These problems can be scary. It's natural to feel anxious when your car isn't performing as expected. But remember, you're not alone. Many CR-V owners have experienced similar issues. But don't worry, many CR-V owners have faced these issues. Sharing experiences and solutions can be incredibly helpful. There's a community of CR-V owners who understand what you're going through. We're here to help you understand and fix them. With the right knowledge and support, you can address these transmission issues and get back to enjoying your CR-V. Regular checkups and timely repairs can make all the difference. One common problem is slipping gears. This issue can be quite alarming for drivers as it often feels like the car is not responding correctly. When gears slip, the car may unexpectedly change gears or fail to stay in the intended gear. This can be particularly dangerous when driving at high speeds or on busy roads. Slipping gears can be caused by worn-out transmission bands or clutches, or even low transmission fluid levels. It's crucial to address this problem promptly to avoid further damage to the transmission system. This feels like your car is in neutral when it's in gear. You might notice a delay in acceleration or a complete lack of response when you press the gas pedal. This can be both frustrating and dangerous, especially if it happens unexpectedly while driving. Regular maintenance and timely fluid checks can help prevent this issue. You press the gas but the engine revs without going faster. This is a clear sign that your transmission is not engaging properly. It could be due to a variety of reasons, including low transmission fluid, worn-out gears, or a malfunctioning torque converter. Ignoring this symptom can lead to more severe transmission damage and costly repairs. Another issue is fluid leaks. Transmission fluid is vital for the smooth operation of your vehicle's transmission system. It lubricates the moving parts and helps in cooling the transmission. A leak can lead to low fluid levels, which in turn can cause overheating and significant damage to the transmission. Check under your car for red fluid. Transmission fluid is typically red or pink, making it easier to identify. If you notice a puddle of red fluid under your car, it's a clear indication of a transmission leak. Addressing this issue early can save you from more extensive and expensive repairs down the line. This could be transmission fluid. Regularly checking the transmission fluid level using the dipstick can help you monitor the health of your transmission. Low fluid levels can lead to poor performance and potential damage. Low fluid levels can cause major damage. Without sufficient fluid, the transmission components can overheat and wear out prematurely. This can result in costly repairs or even the need for a complete transmission replacement. The worst-case scenario is complete transmission failure. This can leave you stranded and require your car to be towed to a repair shop. Transmission failure is often the result of neglecting early warning signs and not performing regular maintenance. Your car might not move at all. This requires professional help. A qualified mechanic can diagnose the issue and recommend the best course of action, whether it's a repair or a complete transmission replacement. Remember, these are just a few examples. Transmission problems can manifest in various ways, and it's essential to pay attention to any unusual signs or symptoms your car may exhibit. If you notice any strange noises or behavior, get it checked immediately. Early detection and timely intervention can prevent minor issues from escalating into major problems, ensuring your car remains safe and reliable on the road. You can do some simple checks at home. First, check your transmission fluid regularly. The owner's manual will tell you how. Make sure the fluid is clean and at the correct level. If it's dirty or low, it's time for a change. Regular maintenance is key. Follow the recommended service schedule in your owner's manual. This includes transmission fluid changes and filter replacements. Section 4. Drive smooth, shift smart habits for a healthy transmission. You know, your driving habits can impact your transmission's lifespan. Avoid sudden acceleration and hard braking. When shifting from park to drive or reverse, come to a complete stop. Don't force the gear lever. Let it engage smoothly. These small changes can make a big difference in the long run. Section 5. Don't wait. Act now. Prevention over costly cures. It's always better to be proactive rather than reactive when it comes to car maintenance. By taking small steps now, you can avoid major headaches and expenses down the road. Transmission problems can be costly to fix. A damaged transmission can lead to extensive repairs that not only drain your wallet but also leave you without a vehicle for days or even weeks. But early detection and proper maintenance can save you a lot of money. Regular checkups and routine maintenance tasks, such as checking and changing fluids, can help you catch potential issues before they become serious problems. If you notice any issues, don't ignore them. Address them immediately. Dashboard warning lights are there for a reason. They alert you to potential problems that need your attention. Ignoring these warnings can lead to more severe damage and higher repair costs. A small problem can quickly become a big one. What starts as a minor issue can escalate into a major repair if left unattended. For example, a small leak in your transmission fluid can lead to complete transmission failure if not addressed promptly. Remember, regular checks, fluid changes, and smooth driving are your best defense against transmission troubles. Consistent maintenance not only extends the life of your vehicle but also ensures a safer and more reliable driving experience. Keep your CRV running smoothly for years to come. By investing a little time and effort into preventive maintenance, you can enjoy peace of mind and a vehicle that performs at its best, mile after mile.